Let's take a new exercise in SolidWorks. Valve body in SolidWorks. All dimensions are in millimeter. Unspecified corner fillets are 2 millimeter. Thread standard according to NC metric. Unspecified surface roughness RA is 12.5 micrometer. All chamfer 2 millimeter 45 degree. Okay. Now look, we have only two view, and we accommodate all the dimensions in these two views. Now this is also a broken view. See, this is front view, but we just cut. See, you will see the cutting line. So we just cut this up to center, so that we will get a section view, half section view, and you will see these dotted line shows rib depth 14, and these are the dimension. Now first, at bottom there is a flange 70 by 70 square. If you see in top, this is the look, this is the section view AA. Now see bottom, there is a flange. This is 70 by 70, corner radius 10, and the depth of this 6 millimeter. You can see here. Now even though we will create this height, you will see this height 35 diameter inside, and this side 50 millimeter height, 80 millimeter from bottom, and this diameter 50 millimeter. So let's do these two things first. Now first I'm going to keep unit in mmg. Now going to start with top plane sketch. Activate here center rectangle and start with origin point. Click on center, drag your mouse, press 70, tab key in your keyboard, 70, enter. Okay, now you can use here sketch fillet. Now select all the rectangle, keep 10 millimeter radius, keep constraint corner, say OK. Now simply exit and extrude. Extruded boss base feature. Now start condition we will keep same. End condition we will move in any one direction. So this is going upper side. Okay. Depth 6 millimeter. Okay. Now let me select the body, apply color, so that we will get a, not this one, 255, 71, 193. Okay. Now let's select front plane. Actually not front plane, let's say right plane, sketch, and I am going to draw one center line. Okay, now start from bottom. Let's say start from bottom. And connect, exit. Now select this line, make construction line. Smart dimension. Now first define this upper dimension 50 millimeter and the lower one 35 millimeter. Now this length 50 millimeter and the overall height, okay, let's say this height 80 millimeter. Now look, it seems fully defined sketch. Revolve boss base feature. Now due to this construction line, this is asking you, would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Because of this sketch is open. So say yes and close. See, line already selected by default, and angle, I want to make a complete 360 body. So we have to apply angle 360 and condition blind. Okay, that's it. Now it's time to make this internal circle. You will see this is the section view. Look, this 40. Look, the overall length 70 millimeter. But here 5 millimeter. If you see the section BB, this, there is a kind of rectangle 30 by 30, and depth of this rectangle 5. So This one we are going to distribute 35 plus 30, okay, and distance from this center to center 50, and even this height 50. Or even if you check this center is going to connect with this, and the center radius is going to be 40 millimeter. Okay, let's sorry, the depth going to be 50 millimeter. Right plane sketch, activate circle, and let's draw here 50, not 50, it's 40, enter. Press escape key to out. Activate smart dimension. Let me define few important dimensions. 50, even center to center distance 50. Okay, let me connect with this so that we don't need to horizontal. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Okay, extruded boss base. Now here we have two close profiles. So first we have to select anyone. At bottom in selected contour, I am going to select this one. Now in direction 1, I am going to move 35 because this face should be flush with this face. Direction 2, activate direction 2. Direction 2, it's going to be 70 minus 35 minus 5. It's going to be 30. Say okay. See. Again select this face, extruded boss base, and select this face. And this one I am going to keep mid plane 50 millimeter because this is flush to this tangent to this face according to drawing. Okay. Now select the back face, sketch. Now activate center rectangle. Now keep cursor and find out. Okay. 30, tap, 30, enter. Exit. Now extrude. Cancel. Now let me do one thing. Select this circle, go to sketch and it convert entity. Now apply extruded boss base feature. Now here we have too many close body. So in selected contour we have to choose. So I'm going to select this one. Keep end condition blind and depth only 5 millimeter according to drawing. Say yes. Look. This is what the shape we like to keep. Now let's create this body. 50 R8 45 degree and same 50, and depth of this you will see here in cross section 5 millimeter. Select this face, sketch, activate circle, center point 50, enter. Now center line. Okay, smart dimension, I am going to define this 45 degree and activate circle and place at this point. And let's say its radius shows 8 into 2, 16. Okay, circular pattern. Now here I am going to choose parameters. I am going to select this point. Okay, pattern, let me select this, and here point I am going to select this point. Now keep equal spacing, angle 360. Okay, number of instances we need 4. Okay, now select this point and select this arc, coincide. It is fully defined sketch. Now activate trim entity, power trim. First I am going to delete inside. Now let me delete this. Okay, drawing is still fully defined. See, just activate power trim, press and hold the left mouse and drag your mouse over the edge. It will trim or delete. Okay, extruded boss base. Now look, direction is wrong. See, this is going away from the body. Change reverse. Depth 5 millimeter. Make sure merge result. If you uncheck this, it's become a new body. So always keep merge. Okay. See. Now you will see this is the section. So this section you will see 18 height. This corner radius R8. Okay. So we have to make all four. So let's try to first I'm going to create a plane for this. Okay, let me create one axis. Select this one. Cylindrical conical face. Okay. Now activate plane. First reference I'm going to select this axis. Second reference, let's say front plane. And define angle 45. Look, this is perfectly aligned with our requirement. Say OK. Select the plane, sketch. Okay. Now let's create our model here. If you go back to the point, see the line is converted into arc. Connect here some and connect this end point. Press escape key to out. Now select this line horizontal. Now here also select this point tangent. Smart dimension 18. $8 millimeter. Now see, this is going to be 8 millimeter. Activate line and connect. Press escape key to out. Now activate revolve boss base. Now let's see axis of revolution this, and you will see this is going to create a solid body. Keep angle 360 degree. Now click plane, hide. Now even though I am going to hide this axis also, now let me select here circular pattern. Feature directly choose from here. Now revolution. I am going to select this face because this face is going to create this circular face. Equal spacing angle 360. 4 number of instances we need. Uncheck geometry pattern. Okay. Now look. Okay. Now it's time to cut this hole inside. 25. We will cut in next step this one. First we will cut this and this. 36. And this depth 15. So we will consider this one and this one. Front right plane, sketch. Now activate circle, align. Connect, exit. Now select this one, construction line. Smart dimension. First I am going to define outer 36. Because here I am going to create a physical thread. 25. This height 15. Now activate revolve cut feature. Due to system, this profile is open. System asks, would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. By default, system take this axis as an axis of revolution. Angle 360 degree. Say yes. And look, here we cut. Let's come up. Now here let's cut this. Now here we have thread, so we will cut later. First we will cut this 30 millimeter, and this is going to be 50 millimeter according to drawing. Okay. So this is going to be balance diameter 28. Now before going that, we have to create a plane. This one, because this is the center of this piece is 50 millimeter from bottom, so 50 millimeter offset. Okay. Now select the plane, sketch. Okay. Okay, activate line. Now this is going to be 40 millimeter. Enter. Now you will see the diameter here, symmetric diameter 40 millimeter. Now even though, let me say one more thing, overall height 80 minus 50, so upper side going to be 30 millimeter, so 15 millimeter here, so this depth 15 and bottom depth 22 minus 15 7 millimeter. Okay, but first we have to cut this. Look, 28 and this diameter 30. Okay, and this is C collinear with this, and this diameter here shows 40 millimeter. Fine. And 15 millimeter from this end. Now let me activate one center line. Draw from here to this place, exit, activate line tool, and let me connect from here to here. I'm going something like this, exit. Make sure the line vertical. Again create one more line. Connect, exit. Now select these line and this line collinear. Smart dimension, this is going to be 30, this is going to be 28. Okay, okay, let's try to revolve and let's see. Revolve, cut. Now in selected contour, this is not going to select. Okay, it is going to select. Okay, system take 360 degree equal spacing, say okay. Okay, it's already cut. Again I am going to say use same sketch, extruded cut. This time I am going to select these two faces. Now upper one 15, let's say isometric view, direction to 22 minus 15 7. Okay, let me hide the plane. Oh sorry, hide section view. See, this is what we need. Hole wizard. Now look, there is a M18 into 2 H7, these hole directly you can create, and we also have some hole here. You will see here. Four number of hole. This is the hole depth 10 millimeter, thread depth also 10 millimeter. Okay, so we will make this two hole here. I am going to choose tabbed hole, NC metric, and not bottoming hole. Actually we need, okay, in this case we are going to use bottoming hole M18 into 2. Okay, I'm going to choose up to next. Now here with tolerance with fit clearance H7, keep here H7 so that you will get your tolerance position. Now I'm going to apply on this face. Now we have to place at center, so just keep cursor and you will find positive. Okay, press escape key to out. Now I'm going to show something. Option, documents, detailing, activate shaded cosmetic thread. That's it. Okay, this looks. Again hole wizard, thread, tabbed hole. Now here I am going to choose tabbed hole. Now this is going to be M8 into 1.25, depth 10, up to shoulder, not up to tip. Blind thread also depth 10, and here fit with tolerance. I am going to keep clearance, even user defined also enough. H7, you will get this tolerance. Position, select this face. Now before going to place somewhere, exit and let me draw one construction line. 50, enter, and here choose for construction. Okay, and let me draw one, exit, smart dimension, let me draw angle 45, enter. Now select the point and activate tool and place at this point. Press escape to out. I am going to double click and you will change the color. Circular pattern. Feature, I am going to select this. Now any circular edge, I am going to select this circular edge. Equal spacing 360 degree, 4 number of holes I need. Okay, look, hole is created. Now let's start again, and here we have 2 ribs. See, depth 4, here also rib. You will see this depth 4 millimeter. We will create these 2 rib. Then you will see there is a 35, depth 3 millimeter, and corner fillet R1. This is also, and there are chamfer 1, 2 and 3. These 3 chamfer 2 by 45. Okay, so let's do these things. Now here I am going to select sketch, circle 35, enter. Now I am going to select this outer edge, convert entity, extruded boss base, and this depth going to be 3 millimeter. Okay. Okay, let's create rib. Right plane, sketch. Now activate here line and start from here to here. Exit. Smart dimension. Now distance from outer surface 14 millimeter. Activate rib feature. You will see arrow is moving opposite direction, so flip material side. Thickness both side. Half 2 millimeter one side, 2 millimeter other side. Look. Similarly, this end also, connect this end to end, exit. No need to define dimension. Rib, see arrow moving opposite direction. Flip to material side, 4 millimeter thickness, keep both side. And here we go, see. Okay, let's check rib chamfer. Okay, not bottom, this inside one, and one at top. Okay, select chamfer, and I'm going to choose polished steel, so it looks better. That's all. Now here I'm going to add thread 36 by 2. I'm going to add real thread, so activate thread. Okay, now edge we have to select this edge, but I'm going to choose face from where going to start, so I'm going to select this face. So thread going to start from this face, see. Now depth is 15. Now we need to cut material, so I'm going to choose metric tab. See, 36 into 2 is the pitch. Cut thread, right hand side, trim with end face. Say okay. Okay, do one thing, choose thread, and here change surface finish. Okay, look how we made thread. See, this is physical thread. We can even make cosmetic thread also, but for just look we made. Let me save this. Valve body in SolidWorks. Okay, we finished this all. Now let's check what else balance. Okay, look this section view. Okay, there is a counter bore hole, depth 7 millimeter and thickness is 6 millimeter, so depth also 6. Counter bore diameter 16, 1.5 is depth, and 50 by 50 is location. So I am going to activate hole wizard. Here one option, legacy hole, counter bore. Now depth 7, diameter 7, depth 6 because flange 29, counter bore, and depth counter bore. Here no need to change because we already applied depth here. Position, select this face. Now just keep cursor and place somewhere here. Let me again check we made something wrong. Okay, this is going to be too big. 16. Okay. Similarly, just rotate. Now see, this is fully defined sketch. Yes. Now look. Okay, we almost did. Now let's apply some construction fillet. Now all the fillets are 2 millimeter. Only one is 1 R1. See this corner have. You will see this inside also. This outer corner also have. This chamfer also have. and see upper side, lower side, corner. You will see all the things here. You can simply use it from here. Fillet 2 millimeter. First I am going to select this vertical line. Select this face. Okay, delete this one. No need to define all together, otherwise it makes problem. Even you can use hidden line also. This is the beauty of SolidWorks. Okay, let's finish this first. Okay, now again apply fillet. Now this time I'm going to select this. Similarly this side, upper side, both side. Okay, this one sort out. Okay, at this stage I'm not going to select for this, but I'm going to select for this. Okay, according to drawing, these all edges have even inside also. Let's remove this. Select these side edges. Okay, now this internal things going to finish all. Okay, let's say right section view. Okay, fillet. Now look, this is going to cover all. Okay, fillet. Okay, this is, let's say 1 millimeter, and I'm going to select this one. 2 millimeter, and I'm going to select this. Clear, exit, and let me suppress this, fill it, and first apply this 2 millimeter. Okay, now come down. See, this is perfectly finished. Okay, now look, this is 2 millimeter and this is 1 millimeter. Now you will observe, see, here, here, here. Now all the faces, okay, except only one face balance, 2 millimeter, and I'm going to choose this. See, okay, that's it. Now here we finished. So this is the our model, how we completed. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.